If your Messenger app shows a missing chat history error or chat history is not syncing properly, then today we are here with step-by-step guide on how to fix it. Firstly, check your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network, or simply restart your router or switch to a different network if necessary. Even after checking your internet connection, it still shows the same error, then simply tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen to go to the settings. Now scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option available there. Now inside privacy and security, tap on the end-to-end encrypted chats option available there. Inside end-to-end, tap on the security alerts option available there. Now tap on manage security alerts. Then simply toggle on the contact device and key changes. It ensures that all your devices have the same encryption keys, allowing you to see messages across your linked devices and alerts you when the encryption key of a contact changes and ensuring secure communication. Then go back to the privacy and security again. Now this time tap on the safe website browsing and toggle that switch off. Now go back to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure that you have the latest updated version of the Messenger app. Open the App Store in iOS or Google Play Store in Android and search for Messenger in the search address bar and check if an update is available. Install the new update because it fixes the potential bugs. So that is it. If the issue persists, then simply go to the Messenger Help Center or use the in-app support feature to report the problem. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.